This rotary carbonization furnace achieves continuous one-stop production from raw materials to finished carbon. It's suitable for carbonization in various wood products and wood chips. Wood chips are automatically fed into the furnace via belt conveyor. The equipment features a closed, oxygen-free environment design, ensuring smokeless and dust leakage throughout operation. The furnace temperature can reach 700 to 800 degrees centigrade with rapid heating. It's equipped with PLC intelligent fully automatic control, effectively decomposing internal moisture and impurities in the material, resulting in uniform carbonization and producing high-quality, high-temperature carbon. A cooling conveyor at the discharging port facilitates rapid cooling, allowing for directly discharge and stacking. The carbonized product is hard, has a high calorific value, burns for a long time, and is smokeless and odorless. Whether for large-scale centralized processing of wood chips or small-scale processing, this rotary carbonization furnace perfectly meets production needs.